How to log in to Hulu account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to log in to Hulu account. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for hulu.com and you will be led to the official webpage of Hulu. On the top right corner of your screen, you will see the login button. Tap on that and in the interface that you will further be led to, go ahead and enter your email address that you have signed into Hulu with and tap on continue. You will then be asked to enter your password, so go ahead and enter your password and tap on the login button, and with this, you will be logged in to Hulu. Just in case, if you have forgotten your username or password, then you can tap on the having trouble logging in option and further follow the on-screen prompts in order to resolve your issue and log in to Hulu. So, this is how you can log in to Hulu account. If you found the video helpful, smash that like button, comment if you have any queries, and be sure to subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.